Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share with you guys a very interesting and fun, delicious dessert recipe. This is Falooda Custard Pudding. Now the link for the rose syrup which I've used in this recipe is given in the description box. You can check that out. So let's get started and check out this delicious recipe. For the Falooda custard pudding, first I'm going to soak 1 tablespoon of Sabja seeds, that is basil seeds, with half cup of water. Next, to make the Falooda safe, to the saucepan add 2 cups of water.